Dude. Ooh, this supposed crime. Oh. Red light runner. So your turd. A little faster, dude. A little more stopping, dude. A little more stopping, dude. Did you stop? I don't think you stopped. You did not stop. Thank you. Stop! Subadoosh! It's the wrong way, shithead! Do I dare say it? Do I dare fucking say it? Stop tailgating. That's not a parking space. But get one, baby. One more. You got a stop sign. You ran it. Scumbag! It's fucking foggy out! Get off my ass! Fuck these cars for kids. Are you gonna stop? Of course you're not gonna stop. Super fucking scum douche. A note about fog and dash cams. It's a lot thicker in real life than it is on the camera. Visibility is a lot better with the camera. It cuts through the fog. I don't know why. It does. That's all. And fuck that Subaru. Stop before you turn, maybe? I don't know. Good God, this neighborhood smells like a fucking toilet. Well, it is Connecticut. Stop at the stop sign. Stop at the stop sign. My lane, not yours. Is that a cutoff? Maniac. Stop tailgating. I ain't thinking yet. Stop! Oh, hi, no one's coming. Is that a yield, Mr. Ambulance? I don't think it was. You love me. You love me. It's a hell of a place and time to be walking. Up 140. Whoa, hey, bunny. Oh, hi. Nobody coming. Not a problem. No problem, lady. What the hell? Like, what are you doing? Moronigon. I'm gonna stop, really. And now stop. Now stop. Now stop. 1, 2, 3. Let it cut off. Let it cut off. Cut off. North Running Transportation Bus, I don't think you stopped. Going on your history, you didn't. Go, Fawcett, you have the right of way. Yeah, your turn, you go. No, 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 no. Is that next step? Stay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you too. Idiots! Be sure you stop. Ugh.